Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the Wi-Fi not working problem in your device OnePlus 6 and 6T. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get new videos. Let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus 6 and 6T, the Wi-Fi is not working, like Wi-Fi is not connecting or slow connection, you can solve all these Wi-Fi related issues according to the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the Wi-Fi problem in your device. Let's watch the video.